Greetings, thanks for joining me. One of my awesome Shawna Who's subscribers asked me recently to show how I create this flippy hairstyle. It's so easy. Two super important things that you need. First, you need the right haircut. Obviously, my hair is layered all around. Lots of layers. Second most important thing to achieve this hairstyle, the most awesome brush. This is the Boar's Hair Bristle brush. Say that 5 times fast. Boar's Hair Bristle brush. I ordered this brush from Amazon.com, of course, and I don't remember what size it is, but I will look it up and I will put it down in the comments below, or I'll stick it up here somewhere. Suprent, Suprent Nano Technology Ceramic and Ionic Boar's Hair Bristle Brush. Boar's Hair Bristle Brush, Boar's Hair Bristle Brush, Boar's Hair Bristle Brush, Boar's Hair Bristle Brush, Boar's Hair Bristle Brush. Booyah! Oh, and then while my hair was wet, I put some leave-in conditioner, as always, and then a little bit of my Argan Oil of Morocco Creamy Hair Butter. Then once I finish blow drying my hair, I add a little bit more of this, which I'll show you all of that. I'm pinning about 3/4 of my hair on top of my head. And then this bottom layer is what I'm gonna blow dry first. Pin it up. Ooh, look at that wave. Now I'm going to flip it. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I'm flipping it up. Got that nice flip going on in the back. And that's pretty much it. I stop at that point with the crazy flipping. Same thing. I'm going to work on drying the roots a little bit, and then I'm just going to kind of curl it off to the side with the brush. There. So now it's time to add some product. Argan Oil of Morocco Creamy Hair Butter. About that much. And I'm just going to work it through my hair. Did you see that? I just readjusted my part. It's just scrunching it all over. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Working the curls, working that curl, et voila. As always, thanks so much for joining me. I hope you found this helpful, and if you rock this hairstyle, send me a photo on Instagram. I'd love to see it. Thanks, take care, bye. Brush, Boar's Hair Bristle 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 Brush.